Doctor complaints, cosmetic complaints, reviews, and testimonials. Nose job complaints. Information about having a nose job procedure. Although there are many nose job complaints being filed yearly, there are more happy and satisfied patients raving about their successful surgeries. It just so happens that most nose job reviews are not only a matter of opinion, but also debatable depending on the severity of the particular situation, as each individual case is different. If a patient chooses to have surgery on the nose for cosmetic purposes only, then who determines if it was successful? If it is a cosmetic improvement, then medically it's successful. If the patient is still unhappy with their outcome, unfortunately this gets blamed on the surgeon. Doctor complaint. There are a variety of reasons why individuals choose to have surgery, such as cosmetic reasons, injury, or medical problems. It is quite common for people to be diagnosed with a deviated septum, resulting in breathing complaints, and consulting a plastic surgeon is wise. In Beverly Hills, Dr. Payman Simoni is a nose surgery expert. Doctor reviews are necessary to determine the potential options, possibly resulting in nasal surgery. And unfortunately, there's also individuals who happen to be born with certain types of birth defects, either affecting their nose cosmetically or internally creating breathing problems. Injuries are also a common reason why people seek out having nose surgery performed. If a nose has been broken and the bone becomes displaced, then of course the nose won't heal straight. This would be an obvious nose job complaint. Sometimes individuals are just unhappy with the size or shape of their nose and wish to have a doctor review to discuss the options to correct the problem. It is important to keep in mind that hearing a doctor complaint doesn't necessarily mean that you should totally avoid discussing your problems with this doctor. It means that one certain person may not have received the answers they were looking for. Hearing a doctor complaint repeatedly is something you may need to be aware of, and choose a different doctor as there are a wide variety, and it's important to find the perfect one that suits your needs. When considering having a nose job for whatever reason, remember, nose job complaints are quite common, and keeping an open mind when discussing issues with your doctor will help you make a better decision regarding your options.